where you are getting a problem about speaking, about understanding. If you
Yes.
clarify, then I will try to help you.
Yes. I'm making many time mistake. I
Okay.
cannot say particular of time. I'm beginner learner, so I am making many time mistake.
Okay. For example, can you give me example like, right now I'm having a conversation with you, but
Yes.
whatever I'm asking you, you are answering me rightly.
Yes.
So I think you are not doing a mistake. So can you tell me like where is your mistake? Just uh, just tell me anything. I want to I want to listen your voice. I want to like listen your story. Where do you like how do you speak yourself and
Yes.
where you are getting a problem. So please tell me anything. For example, like tell me about yourself. I'm going to tell me about yourself. Then I want to check your like where you are getting a problem. Please tell me.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I'm Vinod Kumar from Odisha,
Mhm.
and I have completed my Bachelor of Arts in
Mhm.
2015.
Mhm. Okay.
And my hobbies, I am playing cricket,
Okay.
and I like riding a bike,
Oh,
new
that
model.
you like to riding a bike.
Yes.
Okay, that's good. So did you participate any racing before?
No, 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 not yet.
Okay, not yet. Okay, no problem. So you told me like I have a one and two hobbies. First one, what was that? Like cricket.
Yeah.
Okay. So are you enjoying a cricket?
Yes. But
So you
I used to play cricket when I was study, but now it's I have left.
Oh, I see. You already left. Okay, no problem. See, brother, like whatever I'm trying to ask you, you are answering me rightly. So we
Yes.
can say this is not big problem, okay? But
Yeah.
you should improve. You should talk more. Don't care about your mistake. Don't hesitate. Don't fear. Whatever, for
Yes.
example, like you can make a just question. You can ask yourself like before I told you, I gave a one question like what's your name, tell me about your introduction. So you can ask yourself. Then
Yes.
we can say if you practice more and more, 1 hour, 2 hour, 3 hour, 4 hour, whole day, definitely you will get the idea. You will remove your hesitation. So
Yes.
this is simple way, brother. You should talk to yourself. You should talk more and more. You should spend more time about English language. Then you will realize, then you will learn more and more. You will clarify. So what next problem about, are you facing a vocabulary, are you facing a grammar structure, what next
Yeah.
problem?
I'm facing a problem of vocabulary words.
Vocabulary words, okay, no
I have
problem.
not much knowledge of vocabulary words.
Okay. Oh, I see. So, brother, I'm going to tell a simple way. Okay, please apply yourself. Okay. For
Yeah.
example, if I tell you whatever you look, whenever, for example, right now you are free. So just look outside. Right now you are at home. You are sitting. You are totally free. Just look at yourself. Look at outside and think about how to we call. This is fan. This is table. This is me. My name is XYZ. I'm learning like that. This is vocabulary, brother. If you try to explain yourself, automatically you will learn, together vocabulary. You will learn beside also. Whenever
Yeah.
you get a stuck about like how do we call a Hindi to English word, that moment you should do, you can search out on Google how do we call, we can say like if I tell you, for example, whenever you try to speak yourself, okay, and you don't know exactly meaning of English, so that moment just Google it, just search out how do
Yeah.
we call, this thing, that thing, then you
Yeah.
will remember. Then we can call this is vocabulary, brother. This is
Yes.
vocabulary. Otherwise, if you try to learn beside other activity about especially vocabulary like within a day, five word, 10 word, 20 word, whatever, then it's not going to work, brother. It's not going to work. You should improve yourself. You should talk to yourself. You should learn that moment about vocabulary. Before I told you, I'm right now, if you try to talk to yourself, like for example, before I told you many time, okay, like I'm talking about my career, okay,
Yes.
I'm talking about my career, like what I want to, what my desire, what my dream, and when will I go, and what time. Just explain yourself. That moment, if you feel, if you realize, like I'm not getting a proper word, how do we call? So that moment, suddenly just search, just search in a Google. If you do practical, brother, you will remember forever. Practical is very important.
Yes.
Don't learn vocabulary in, we can say, extra, like people try to do learn within a 10 word, 20 word, but after what, 1 day, 2 day, we will remember, but after 1 2 day, automatically it
That
will
will
gone.
forget.
We will forget what was that, because
Yes.
we do not practice, we do not use that kind of word. And if you try to use it practically, for example, right now I'm talking with you and I don't know exactly one word, so immediately I search out, otherwise I can ask in front of people how do we call, and that moment I try to use with you, then we can say I will remember this word. Whenever I get opportunity, like use this word, immediately I use, I will never forget. So this is, we can call, especially vocabulary, brother.
Yeah.
Just use your daily routine. Vocabulary means what? Like word. Try to like a vocabulary sentence, I mean word to word, it's create to sentence. This is vocabulary. Without vocabulary we cannot practice, we cannot learn more.
Yes. I know
you know
that, bro. Yeah.
so always talk to yourself, and if you interest, then you should try to read a book. Do you love to reading part, brother? Do you love
Yes.
to reading? Do you love to reading?
Yeah.
Okay. So
And
like,
I
yeah, tell
I
me.
have also insert application, news application.
Okay,
Insert.
what kind of application you are using yourself?
Yeah, that is news application. Insert.
In short, in short.
Yes.
Yeah,
Yes.
I knew that. Even I'm also using this application, and this is helping
Every day I am
about reading
reading.
about. Yeah, tell me.
Every day I am reading insert application app through, and if I get there any new words, I am googled in my
Yeah,
phone.
yeah, this is great thing, brother. This is great.
After
Yes.
that, I'll take screenshot, and whenever I get free time,
Mhm.
I am watching.
Oh, oh, I see. So, brother, I'm going to tell one thing, okay? Whenever you try to read an article, like short news, okay?
Yeah.
So that moment, if you get a new word, so just write down your, in your notebook, in your, like, in cell phone, anywhere, just write down. Then after news, try to use this word. How to be
Sentence.
sentence?
How to
How
make a sentence?
how
Yes.
to create a situation, and that moment how do we use this word, then it will help about English language, brother. It will help. Even regular basis I'm also doing like that. I have also same application. In short, this is one kind of article, okay, and this is
Yes.
very short news. I love it. Over there we do not bore easily, because word is very simple, and with picture also, with video also. So it's going to help about communication, about reading part, about speaking part,
Yeah.
and we are getting a new vocabulary, new
New
word also.
vocabulary. Yes.
Yeah, so this is
We are
great.
using new vocabulary words.
Yeah,
You
this
can
is
get the
great.
new word.
Yeah, so I think right now you are getting my point, what I'm trying to tell you, how to
Yes.
learn
I
a
got your
vocabulary.
point, brother.
Yeah. So what about next problem? About next, like you have a two problem. I think you told me I'm while conversation I'm feeling to stuck about in front of people. Am I right? And second thing, vocabulary. So brother, you can remove this thing. You can build your confidence about practice, brother. Practice make a perfect. If you practice more and more, automatically you will learn. Automatically, brother.
Yes.
So it's very important to, if possible, then try to invest your time about English language. Try to just spend a more time about English language. Then
Yes,
you will
brother.
get at least 10 to 20% like what is a flow about English
Yeah.
language, what is a like a requirement, how to we talk, how to explain, how to we start the English language, what is a like a communication. You will get a lots of knowledge, brother, if you try to practice, if you try to practice with
Yes.
stranger people, if you try to watch like videos about YouTube video, if you try to listen a podcast, if you try to read a books, listen a music, then this is, we can say, like environment, brother. So
I'm
you,
practicing every day, brother. I'm practicing every day, at least 1 hour. I have two groups, one group also your groups,
okay.
and another also I have groups, and I am practicing every day at least 1 hour, 1.5 hour every day,
Yeah,
5 to
that's
4.
keep going. Don't think about like I'm feeling too stuck, I'm getting a bore, and I don't have a partner. No,
I'm not
always.
feeling good. Always
Yeah.
I am curious to talk with person.
Yeah, brother. Whenever you free time, just use like, just think about like why I'm free. Like I want to I want to busy myself. Just try to read a book. Just try to talk to yourself. Just think about like what I'm doing, where I'm going. Always talk. Give your tongue, give your job about your word, your tongue. If you try to practice about more and more, you will get proper pronunciation also.
Pronunciation.
Yeah, this is, we can say, this is beneficial about communication, brother. If you talk more, you will get more. So
Yes.
always hard work, always learn, always talk. And one thing, brother, I'm going to tell you, don't feel to hesitation, don't feel to like I'm doing a mistake and people laugh on me, people judge on me. Just avoid. It's
Yes.
okay, do mistake, just avoid it.
Right
Make
now
a
I'm also feeling
you can.
hesitation. Right now I am also feeling hesitation because it's my second conversation with Sky Apps through in video call. It's second. So right now I am also hesitating. Hesitation.
Yeah, brother, you can continue. You can continue in future time. Try to talk with stranger people more and more. And especially I'm 100% sure right now you don't have a partner. That's why reason you came here about Sky video calling. So connect
Yes.
with stranger more and more and discuss about more any topic, anything. if
Yeah.
you if you try to elaborate a topic, you will get a idea how to make a long conversation. You will
Yeah.
get an idea. So always try, practice. Face a camera, face a mirror, and face a person also. Get an opportunity. At least try. Don't
Yes.
think about like how to fulfill a sentence, or how to I use a vocabulary and sentence and like that. Don't avoid this thing. Whatever you have any story, just continue, just talk, just present your content, present your story in front of, deliver your content. And it's a good option, brother. I'm going to tell you, if you have a mirror, like
Yeah.
mirror, long mirror, just stand
Yeah.
over there and talk to
You
20
can
to
see your
30 minutes
face over.
mirror. If possible, then talk to 30 to 40 minutes in front of mirror.
Yeah.
Definitely, if you do 1 week, brother, you will get a good result. You will realize automatically what I'm doing right now, automatically.
Yeah. I'll flow, brother. I'll flow. Whatever you're saying.
Yeah. So just do it, practice more, learn more, and if possible, then try to watch more video. 1 time, 2 time, 3 time, 4 time. Just
Yes.
pick some answer, pick some sentence, pick some story. What he and she is trying to tell. Then try to use your life. Try to try to we can say like habit. You know, just
Right.
create a good habit. Try to talk more and more. Then you will get an idea. You will get a fluency, brother. Okay?
Yes, brother.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Anything else, brother?
Not. I am very happy uh, because I
Mhm.
am talking with you. It was my one dream, and today is
It's my pleasure, brother. Thank you very much, because even I'm also talking with you, I'm feeling too happy because you are supporting me. You are giving me good opportunity to talk. I can talk with you. I can deliver my content, my story, because you are supporting me. So I
Yes.
can say thank you very much. Yeah.
I'm
Okay.
watching your every day. I'm watching your video, and it was my dream. I will talk with you one day, but finally I'm talking with you, so I am very glad to you. Glad.
Thank you very much, brother, for connecting with me. And always, I'm here for you. Whenever you get a problem, please call me. Definitely, I will help you. Okay,
Yes.
don't worry. So practice more, struggle more. Don't believe your luck, believe your hard work. Definitely, you will get a right track. You will get a right track. Okay. So
Yes.
just keep going, keep learning, keep practice. Okay. So bye
Thank.
bye, brother. Thank you very
Thank.
much for connecting
I
me.
will
Bye
see
bye.
you again, brother.
See you.